Hey little mover. Today I'll draw Bluey dancing, spinning, twirling, and hopping to her own happy tune. It's the story of Bluey Dance Time. While I draw, let's get ready to groove together. And before we start, like this video so we can dance side by side. The living room was full of sunshine that morning. Mom played a song on her phone, soft and cheerful. Bluey's ears perked up. "Oh, that's my favorite beat," she said. Bingo clapped her paws. "Let's dance, Bluey!" And just like that, the two sisters began to wiggle and spin. Bluey raised her paws high. "This move is called the puppy spin." Bingo laughed, trying to copy her. "Now I'm doing the tail wiggle." Their giggles filled the room like music. Dad walked in holding his cup of tea. "Whoa! Look at those groovy pups," he said, joining in with silly steps that made everyone burst out laughing. If you love happy dances too, like this video, and give your best spin right where you are. Bluey wanted to try a big twirl like the dancers she saw on TV. "Watch this," she said proudly. She twirled once, twice, but then slipped and landed on her tail. "Ouch!" Bluey frowned. "Maybe I'm not good at this." Bingo reached out her paw. "Yes, you are. You just fell, that's all. Dancers fall and rise again." Mom knelt beside them. "Bingo's right, sweetie. Dancing isn't about perfect steps. It's about how it makes you feel." Bluey thought for a moment, then nodded. "Okay, then I'll dance my way." She stood up, brushed her fur, and started moving again, this time slow and graceful, tail swaying to the rhythm. If you're still dancing with Bluey, like this video, your moves are shining bright. Soon, the living room turned into a joyful swirl of paws, laughter, and music. Dad twirled Mom lifted Bingo, and Bluey jumped high with a sparkle in her eyes. "This is the best dance party ever," she shouted. Bingo grinned. "Let's never stop dancing." As the music faded, they all flopped onto the soft rug, breathing fast but smiling wide. The air was warm and full of happiness. "You know," Bluey said softly, "dancing feels like flying on the inside." Mom smiled. "That's because your heart was dancing too." Now close your eyes, my dancing friend. Let your joy twirl to the very end. And don't forget to like this video, my friend.